Working with a TCF file from a QA team? This is a TestComplete project, one of the most comprehensive automated testing platforms in the software industry. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and run these test automation projects. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party TCF file, inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. TCF files are project files, created by SmartBear TestComplete, containing automated software testing projects, with test scripts, UI object maps, data-driven test configurations, and test execution settings. They store complete test automation frameworks for functional regression and performance testing. TestComplete TCF project files use a structured format storing test script modules in JavaScript Python VBScript or DelphiScript, along with name mapping definitions, keyword test sequences, data source connections, and test log configuration for comprehensive automated testing workflows. The primary software for TCF is recognized as TestComplete, developed by SmartBear. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot resolve script commands, so the correct interpreter is necessary. The key to fixing this TCF file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with TestComplete if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your TCF file will not open, do not worry. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this TCF file is failing to load. First, opening in TestComplete. Launch SmartBear TestComplete and open the TCF project file through File then Open Project. The Project Explorer displays all test modules, name mapping, stores, and project items. Navigate the project tree to access test scripts, keyword tests, data sources, and configuration settings. Next, running test suites. Execute tests by right-clicking test items in the Project Explorer and selecting Run. Configure test execution settings including browser selection, device targeting, and parallel execution options. Review test results in the test log viewer, which displays pass-fail status screenshots and detailed execution timelines. Finally, analyzing test results. Review test execution logs in the test log panel, showing step-by-step results with screenshots for failed steps. Export test reports to HTML, PDF, or XML format for distribution to stakeholders. Integrate with CI/CD pipelines using TestComplete's command line interface for automated test execution and build processes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.